Hi, this is Laura from the Queen's Card Castle. I just wanted to show you a project that I made for my daughter's 3rd grade teacher who's retiring this year. So here it is. The stamps that I've used on this are from Cards TV Stamps, and the set is called School Days. And the apple I cut out from Doodle Charms, and I put it on an action wobble. So when you open it up, and these are just stickers, and they had foam tape on the back, but I took them off because it makes it harder to close the album. And these are just regular stickers. This is from the same School Days stamp set, and then we open it up, and these again are more stickers. And when you open it up, this is from Mary's stamp set as well. And the papers all came from a Recollections paper pack that I bought at Michael's. And these are all just stickers again, and the same set. Then you open it one more time. And on the inside, I put more stickers, and this is my daughter. And this was on the first day of school, so I thought I would put that in the album. And this is her teacher. So when you open the last flap, we put a little note inside that says, "Mrs. Perry, thank you for everything you have taught me. You're a great teacher. Enjoy your retirement." And my daughter signed it. And again, these are more stickers. This punch is from Stampin' Up, and same stamp set. So I just wanted to share with you this fun little project that I've made for her teacher. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm probably going to put the details on my blog, and that's queenscardcastle.blogspot.com. So thank you very much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.